Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So finally important update related to IBM offer letter and joining dates. So you can see this mail, congratulations, IBM offer awaiting your signature and associate system engineer. So those students who have applied, then they are getting the offer letter. Okay, so you can see this, and that's why the reason I was saying that make sure to apply as soon as possible. You're getting the link. Okay, so talking a little bit more about the things what they are mentioning, that we are pleased, impressed by your motivations and skills demonstrated during the selection process. Please fill the link to DocuSign portal. So after that, you have to basically you have to do the sign, and you can say this candidates got the joining date at 6 April 2026. So this is a good news, and they have clearly mentioned that your date of joining 6 April and your initial posting will be at Bangalore. So students are also getting the locations. So the onboarding venue will, they have already shared on all those details. So congratulations to the candidates who have applied and now got shortlisted. So the reason, that's why I'm saying that those students who are applying now, they are getting the reward, and make sure to apply with updated resume. That's the thing I want to tell. Talking a little bit more about the joining and all those formalities. So make sure to have all important documents with you. Okay, and there should be not any discrepancy in Aadhaar card, voter card, or any other documents, because if you have some mistake now, then you will got stuck and your joining may be delayed. So make sure to apply all those, or make sure to have all those documents carefully. If there is some mistake in your Aadhaar card, PAN card, or any details, then make sure to correct it before submitting all those documents, and make sure to upload, or we can say I will suggest accept the offer as soon as possible. Okay, don't be late if you don't want a delay joining. So again, congratulations to the selection candidates, and best of luck for your future journey. And those students who have applied for further process, then just wait, I will provide an update related to that. Okay, but students are also getting the mail for the assessment and all those stuff. So make sure to have a check on regularly on your mail, and you have to basically give the assessment and accommodation from all those things. Okay, so this is a good thing from IBM, that they are hiring in a good number, and also they are sending the reward and all those things. So these are details. Now review and complete. So you have to basically review all the things, that what are the perks and benefits you are getting, and the salary you will get. So these all details you have to fill. Okay, so little bit more about joining process, I'll make detailed video. No need to worry, just comment here whether you got the offer letter or not. For getting such important job update, you can join our WhatsApp or Telegram study group, and those who have TCS and QT exam must follow our playlist which have already launched. So best of luck to the candidates who have further TCS exam, and मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स में. थैंक यू.